Today I'm in Big Bend with the new Toyota Tacoma Trailhunter. Let's check it out. The Trailhunter is my favorite version of the new Tacoma. This truck is built for overlanding, and this thing has some really cool bits on it that you really just don't see on a lot of cars. For example, the snorkel. This is all factory on the Tacoma, and it actually sounds amazing. What do you think of the new front end on the Tacomas? I really like it. I think it's refreshed. I think it's sleek and it looks good. I like how the front bumper flows with the headlights. I just think it works, and especially with the wheels that you get on the Trailhunter. The bronze with this paint color, it's a beautiful combination. From the factory, the truck has this bed rack, and it does have molly panels on the side so you can actually attach things to it, which I think is super clever. What are your thoughts on the new body lines of these trucks? I personally think they look really good. I think the way that the fenders bulge out and then you have these fender flares as well, it really gives it a nice rugged look. One detail that I actually really enjoy about the Trailhunter is that in the headlights it actually says Trailhunter. It's a super nice touch that I think really just adds a little bit of extra detail to the truck that makes it look nice. The Tacoma did lose the V6, but it now has a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder in the car. It's turbocharged and it actually makes a lot more torque. This thing makes 465 foot-pounds of torque. That is crazy. And driving the car, I actually was going into it thinking, all right, a 4-cylinder in a truck, it's not going to be that good, but it's actually pretty smooth. It has plenty of power and torque for what you need with the truck. I love the lighting on the truck because it does have an integrated light bar right under the Toyota logo. It looks super sick, and then it does also have switchback fog lights, so you can have them as a white LED, and then you can also transition them into a yellow LED. Now, of course, since it is a Trailhunter, that means we have to go take it on some trails. And since we're in Big Bend, there's a beautiful view. We have a beautiful truck. Let's go have fun with it. I wasn't really sure what to expect with this thing. Toyota's been hyping up the Trailhunter as the ultimate overland truck, but is it actually that good, or is it just a Tacoma with extra camping gear? First thing I noticed, this thing rides way better than I expected. Toyota teamed up with Old Man Emu for this setup, and I don't know what kind of magic they put in these shocks, but it just eats up bumps. I will say though, this thing is not slow. The hybrid setup gives it 465 foot-pounds of torque, which means when you step on it, it's so fun on the track.
It's a lot better, dude.
Yeah. I know some people were nervous about Toyota ditching the V6 for this new hybrid setup, but here's the thing. With 465 foot-pounds of torque, that's a lot. Unlike the old V6, you don't have to wait until next Tuesday to feel it, and I like that the boost from the hybrid setup gives you instant torque. It pretty much eliminates the feeling of any turbo lag. When I first started creating content, one of my biggest dreams was to always work with Toyota, and now that I'm out here, we have the new trucks. We're in beautiful Big Bend. I just know that my 12-year-old self would not believe that I'm out here right now doing this, and I am so appreciative of it, and I'm so happy to be here. It really just, it feels unreal to me. Let me show you all the interior of the Trailhunter. I think it's pretty cool. I've never really seen this leather color anywhere else. It's pretty unique. I like the new interior on these trucks. The screen is pretty large, and I'm curious how that's gonna date with time. Land Cruiser, Tacoma, 4Runner. Look at that, we've got Tacoma cruising in. My initial driving experience, these things are very, very planted on the trails, taking bumps. It really soaks it up well. It's super dampened. They also just look so sick when they're dirty because it's a truck. It needs to be dirty. We don't want any clean cars here. We took the trucks to go on a hike, and it was a lot of fun for me because this environment is completely different than what I'm used to back at home in Georgia. Once it became dark, we did astrophotography, and Toyota brought professional photographers to show us how it's done. I've done minor light painting before, but never something like this. We were able to capture the stars because out here, there isn't any light pollution. So even with your own eyes, you can see the stars a lot more clearly than you would in a city. So final thoughts, the Trailhunter isn't just a Tacoma with some off-road parts thrown on it. It actually feels built for this. The suspension is comfortable, the tech makes off-roading easy, and the hybrid setup gives it way more torque than the old truck ever had.